How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to convert your non-com KMACS 5 to comms. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's open it up. There's 2 latches on the sides, 3 latches on the front. And we'll go ahead and open it up. Now we're going to go ahead and unscrew and remove the yokes. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove this main bracket by removing the 4 screws and washers that hold it in together. With the 4 screws and washers removed, we can go ahead and remove this bracket and then start installing the panel mount angles using the 430-155 screws. With the 4 panel mount angles installed, we can go ahead and take the foam that's included in the kit, put it in the lower right corner, and what that will do is help support the battery when you install the panel. Now that the foam's been installed, we can take our communications panel and gently prop it up against the panel mount angles. Now go ahead and secure the communications panel to the 4 panel mount angles using the 12 washers and screws. All right, now that all the screws and washers have been installed, go ahead and tighten them in a star-shaped pattern until each screw is fully threaded. And in no time at all, you have communications for your KMACS 5 box. While you're here, check out our website, apparel.kmdsi.com. We've got awesome cups, clothes, and other cool merchandise.